Yeah, so this is the 152-inch Full HD 3D plasma that we do at Panasonic. It's the largest plasma display in the world. It's been out on the market now for around about 4 months, and it's obviously enormous to the sight. Comes with a motorized screen lifter, so it can kind of be lifted up and down easily to gain a better viewing angle. One of the big changes that it's had has been kind of the graphics processor inside the screen, which has dramatically improved the color reproduction. So I mean, even here we're simply playing some content through a 150 quid Blu-ray player, and you'll see it completely does the content justice. The screen itself has got the largest contrast ratio in the world of 5 million to 1, so it can provide really deep blacks, vivid colours, and you'll see itself there's literally no crosstalk that you'll get due to the fact that the plasma itself has a very, very minimal response time.
Hi, I'm Vicky. I work for a company called Imago, and I'm here to talk about a product from Revo Labs, which is an American company that deal in wireless audio products. The product today is called the Flex. This is a new product that will be out in the market in about August time. It comes with a wireless speaker, a charger base and 2 microphones and a dialing pad. Now this product is completely wireless and will work within any office solution, ideally a small boardroom, or actually can work with video conferencing. So you have a dialing pad to call. It stores up to 99 numbers, which you can then obviously dial or select from the menu. Once you've dialed your call, you simply place it down and begin your call. Now the microphones come as either a lapel, an omnidirectional or unidirectional, depending on which solution you require. The system can work out of the charger base, but also works well in the charger base. So for those meetings that go over, say, 8 hours, you can still carry on using the solution.
Hi there, I'm Gary from Sonos. I'd like to introduce the Sonos multiroom system. What we have here is 4 zones. We have 1 amplified unit, 1 all-in-one speaker, and 1 non-amplified unit. What this represents is 4 different rooms, and what you can do from here is you can either, as you can see, have all the zones grouped, playing the same song, or just as easy, you can deselect zones, which then allows you to have different songs in different rooms. Through Sonos, you've got access to over 10 million tracks, 100,000 radio stations, so the hardest thing to do is sit down and try and actually think about what you want to listen to. You can control Sonos from a number of devices. As you can see, I've got the iPad here, but just as easy, you can use the iPhone, iPod Touch, or any Android phone, and you can access services such as Napster, Spotify, and Last.fm, and numerous more. So yeah, so that's the Sonos system. If you love music, then you'll love Sonos. Just a case of getting on board and enjoying your music once again. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Stuart Tickle, MD of AWE Europe. You joined us at the Home Technology Event, and behind us you can see a variety of products. We are a distributor to the specialist custom installation trade, and behind me what you see is what we call our solutions house. This is a combination of all our products. So we have URC as a control system. URC can be used in a single room environment or indeed to control a whole house, and this is a scalable solution of which we are the exclusive distributor for in the UK, and offer full training and support as well as the sales function. We are also key channel partners for Panasonic and Samsung. A range of their flat screens you can see on our display piece. These are all networked, so we can show them integrating with the smart TV type content, as well as Blu-ray and 3D and 2D content as well. So what we try and do is show as much as we can about the product's capabilities and give the trade visitors here good comparisons, so we can show the benefits of the different ranges. Alongside we have Denon, Marantz, Pioneer, Yamaha, Onkyo and Arcan. These are leading ranges of audiovisual equipment, home cinema amps, Blu-ray players and other networked products.
Hi, it's Timmy Talkson here from Habitech. and I'll like to introduce you to some of the new ranges from Nuvo and iRoom. Nuvo launched this year the whole new Renovia system, which is the new powerline system for the multiroom audio market, and it's been based on not going Wi-Fi but more on the powerline systems because of the interference of Wi-Fi systems, and it works really well because it's basically good for retrofit market. People doing extensions where they then say, well, you can do audio in all the rooms. It has a really good feature on them now, which is basically the line level input, which allows you to put local TVs, iPads, anything you have audio level can actually work on the market. And you can basically use it with any of the existing Nuvo keypads on the market, or if you start using it with the new MPS4 server, which is Nuvo's new music stream server, which will give you 4 streams of music working fully on iTunes, internet radio and Spotify, but also allows you then to work with the Nuvo app, which works for iPhone, iTouch and iPads, which give you full control of any songs in the house, give you full album art, so if anything you use, you get the full album art out of it. You also get the full option of going into Spotify, so you can actually search for any song from anywhere in the world on it. The whole MPS4 system also works seamlessly in Crestron Control 4 AMX, so you can actually use it as a standalone system. So where then your hands like Control 4 gives them the option to start using iTunes, internet radio and Spotify, which they don't currently support themselves. And then we got our lovely new other product, which is iRoom, which is basically based behind the iPad solutions from 1 and 2, where it's the only one in the market where you actually it's motorized, we can charge it, but it's actually you can then take it in and out of the product. So you can use it with any type of product, standalone, Crestron AMX, again, Control 4, Nuvo.
Hello, I'm Drew from Frame Your TV. What we are doing is making custom bespoke TV frames. As you can see over here, all our TV frames are also handmade and painted by us and made here in the UK. We offer all different kinds of styles and shapes of frames, and also we're offering a mirror frame, which basically when the TV is on, then it's just as normal, and when you turn the TV off, then it becomes a mirror. As you see, you can look at yourself and see. This way you can really hide your TV, your ugly box, into your whole interior design, and that's more or less it.
So I'm Jamie, I'm UK Sales Manager for Crestron UK. And I'm going to talk to you about some of our new products today. This is the Crestron Digital Media Switcher. It's a multi-format HDCP HDMI switcher. We have outputs on a standard Cat5e cable. We can send this signal at 1080p 300 foot. You'll notice that it's a card-based solution. So we have different inputs for component video, HDMI, we have DVI, we have our own digital media inputs. So this really is a multi-format, multi-purpose device. If a new signal comes out or your client changes their requirements, you can just pop a new card in and off you go. The outputs are, I said again, on a single Cat5e cable or on a single fibre cable. These talk and go out to a room box. I have in my hand here. This receiver box takes in your fibre or your Cat5 and then outputs your signal at a standard HDMI feed output. We also have local control here as well, relay for relay controlled screens and blinds, we have RS232 for a plasma or a projector, and we also have IR for DVD players, VCRs, etc. There is a full range of products within this product set, different receivers with scalers built in, with audio outputs. The sizes range from 8x8, 16x16, 32x32, up to 64x64. So I'm also going to now talk to you about the Prodigy range of products. This is Crestron's entry-level automation system. It's an all-in-one Crestron processor RF gateway. As you can see from the box here, we have 2 RS232 ports. We have IR ports, we have a LAN connection, relay and digital ports. This is a standard Crestron processor, the PM-C3XP. It will talk to any other Crestron device within our range. However, at entry level, it ships with a handset for a budget price of around about £1,700 list price. The unit has H.264 streaming in it. You're also able to break the program up inside up to 7 different programs, and most importantly, it carries our 3 Series engine for enhanced speed and better quality programming and future expandability.